Hey guys, I'm back with another product review, working with WalkingWay again. This is now the second time I've worked with this manufacturer. Today we're taking a look at their protective wraps. They come in three different sizes, 35 centimeter, 40 centimeter, and 55 centimeter. They're self-adhesive, so they stick to themselves, and they're also used as a microfiber for cleaning cloths. This is going to be the 35 millimeter, 45 millimeter, and the largest 55 millimeter. Let's go check them out. I'll give you my thoughts, how I plan on using them, and let you know if I think they're a great buy or not. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and open these up and see what they look like. If you want to see a couple other options, just so you know, there are 9 different patterns in 3 different sizes. Let's get this one right here opened up, and it feels like, I would say, felt. For a photographer, I really like this pattern right here. Give me a second guys to get it open. So it's a pretty cool pattern right here. You got your camera, your flashes, tripods, a couple other things that photographers use. And let's see how this works right here. We're going to try wrapping up a lens in it to give it a little bit more protection. Here the lens looks kind of large. This is going to be my Carl Zeiss Biotar 75 millimeter f1.5. I do have the adapter to go from M42 to Sony E-mount, as well as the hood and a lens cap. So this would just be an added layer of protection. Usually this goes inside of my padded bag, but let's see how this works here. It's turned over. Get this folded onto itself. Well, obviously there's better ways to do it. I got my hand underneath because I'm shaking it pretty hard, and well, it's a $3,000 lens I wouldn't want to drop there, so I can tell you they do hold. It is secure. Probably takes a little bit of work to actually make it look good. Give me a second guys, I'm going to try off camera here and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and off camera it is kind of simple. You can make it look good. It holds quite well. Again, I'm shaking just about as hard as I want to. That's a $3,000 lens in there that I really don't want to drop. Let's go ahead and open this up. So you can see that I folded the end that contacts with the outside in a way that it would seal up at the end. I have it folded over here. And there's my lens. Alright guys, let's check out a couple other sizes and see how they work. Okay guys, this is the second one I opened up, and I can pretty definitely tell you that this one is the 35 centimeter size one, and the last one we're looking at was the 45 centimeter size one, because this one is a little bit smaller. Again, themed for photographers. We got the cameras on the outside, and I'm digging it. This is my style. Let's go ahead and flip this over. And this is the side that pretty much sticks to the other. It feels like felt on both ends. Nothing feels like Velcro. This is a light I frequently use when I shoot videos. So let's see if we could get this thing covered up and secure here. Corner. corner. So there we go. Pretty secure. Let's go ahead and get this last end on. So yeah, it holds good. I think it's very secure. Let me zoom out here a second. So you can shake it pretty profusely and it holds good. Overall, I'm happy with it. Let's check out the big boy and see how that works. Just 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, this is the larger 55 centimeter unit here. This is a circuit board pattern, which is kind of a fitting for what I got it used for. Folded up pretty well. As you can see, there's quite a bit of extra material here, so a lot for the material to grab on. Very good fit. And what we have here on the inside this time is going to be my iPad Pro. So this is the large model, and fits right in there. So overall, I'm happy with it. You see that screen's quite dirty there, so let's go ahead and check it out and see how this works as a screen cover cleaner. Well, most of my fingerprints are gone. A little hazy there, but oh damn, it's real bad. I'm gonna have to go ahead and get some window cleaner on that thing or something, but overall, guys, I'm pretty happy with these. I'm glad I can say that they work. Okay, guys, here's my final thought. Overall, I would definitely recommend them. They give you a nice little layer of protection. I typically keep my cameras, my lenses inside of a bag. This gives you a little bit more protection. It's like having your camera inside of, or your lens inside of a lens cover and then sticking it in the bag. I typically do something like that, so I'm always looking for extra gear to protect my lenses. It's nice because it can cover my tablet, my iPad, gives it a little bit more padding in my backpack. For cleaning screens, I would use it on my laptop. I'd use it on my iPad. I did demonstrate that, and then later on, after I was videotaping, I went ahead and sprayed some alcohol on the screen of my iPad and used it to clean it. Cleaned up quite well, and it didn't leave any marks on the case cover, so it does work for that. I personally would not use them to clean off my camera lenses. I am a vintage camera lens collector, and a lot of the old lenses have really picky coatings that I wouldn't want to mess up, so I'm really particular in how I do clean my lenses. But if I'm working with modern lenses, I would have no problem cleaning them with this. I hope you guys found this review useful. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to share. The more activity I get here, the more of these things I can bring to you guys. Once again, I do want to thank the people at WalkingWay for making this possible. Have a great day, guys.